Hi, this is Coach Isabel and welcome to episode 9 of my Kung Ganito Ka sa Love Life, Ganito Ka Rin sa Pera series. Mamshi, real talk ulit tayo ha. Kung ayaw mo ng responsibility sa love life, malaki ang chance na mahirap ka ring yumaman. Yung gusto mo ng kilig pero ayaw mo ng effort. Gusto mo ng commitment pero ayaw mo ng accountability. Gusto mo ng stable relationship pero ayaw mo ng responsibility kapag mahirap na. Hindi ganun nagwo-work ang love. Ganun din sa pera. Gusto mo ng extra income pero ayaw mo ng daily discipline. Gusto mo ng financial freedom pero ayaw mo ng learning curve. Gusto mo ng results pero ayaw mo ng responsibility sa choices mo. Real talk. Responsibility is the price of growth. Hindi ka yayaman sa swerte lang. Yayaman ka sa ownership. Once you stop blaming and start owning your decisions, doon nagsisimula ang abundance. This is Coach Isabel reminding you, when you're ready to take responsibility, you're ready to receive more.